Today, 97% of companies have customer experience as a strategic imperative. And 75% see customer experience as a key differentiator and as a competitive advantage. That's why executives are getting serious about the quality of their digital customer experience. That's why they're making serious investments in setting up internal practices in user experience design. Making that investment work, that's where we fit in. I'm Dr. Eric Schaffer, the Global CEO of Human Factors International. We date back to 1981, and we've a proven user experience design capability. From strategy through innovation to structural design, detail design, and testing. Our global staff walk the walk of scientific, systematic, and pragmatic experience design across industries like finance, telephony, medical, government, and e-commerce environments. But since the turn of the millennium, we've built the world's leading practice in helping organizations set up internal experience design capabilities. There's no question, the global best practice in customer experience design is to have a mature and fully integrated internal team, not to rely just on vendors. I mean, we are vendors, but if you just use a bunch of vendors, you'll end up designing an incoherent mess. How do we work with clients? Usually, we have two parallel and synergistic tracks. We help to set up a mature practice, while concurrently helping with showcase projects and tactical demands. It's sort of like changing a plane's wings while it's in flight. But handled correctly, that works perfectly. The design work is an opportunity to transfer technology and refine the infrastructure. The capabilities building develops internal staff who can take over much of the growing design demand over time. I wrote the book on institutionalization of usability. It was published through Addison Wesley, and the main point I make is that setting up a mature UX team, it's a specialized activity. It's not enough to hire some great designers. Just like you don't hire a great group of surgeons if you want to set up a hospital. You need help getting all the parts in place. With success at customer experience, a strategic imperative, and with serious investments planned, it makes sense to apply global best practices. I mean, first, a lot of infrastructure you need can be bought and adapted. At HFI, we've been developing baseline standards and methods and knowledge management for decades. We also have an integrated training program, and we run the world's most popular set of UX certifications. We actually certify about 10% of the world's professionals. So we can avoid a lot of reinventing the wheel. The average company takes 54 weeks to develop an internet user interface standard. By the time they're done, they're too tired to apply the standard. But we can easily do one in 8 weeks. The infrastructure needs to be in place, but it's not enough. You can't have a factory with no one to run it. So staff acquisition and training and organizational structures have to be in place. You're going to need a central UX group and then connected practitioners working in project groups. But at the end of the day, the biggest challenge now, it's usually in governance. How do you ensure that this practice is accepted and applied? If governance fails, then the whole effort, it yields nothing. And it leaves you vulnerable to competitors because they're going to get good at UX. So at Human Factors International, our global staff of UX strategists walk the walk of scientific and process-driven user centricity. We do strategy, innovation, design, and improvement. But helping our clients to set up mature and process-driven practices is our unique expertise.